What is going on, guys? It's Boosted J. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to go head down to my homie's shop and get these new tires mounted on the wheels that we just picked up, the AG M240s. It's just the two front tires, so we're going to get these two replaced, and then we will take it back down to the shop after I get back and put these on to get my fenders rolled, and then we'll be painting my side skirts. But we'll see how far we get in today's video, but let's get it started.
Already so much better. He barely was just grinding the face, and he grinded the side a little bit to fix up the rash. It was really bad. You guys saw in a couple of shots I had before, but this is like crazy nice now, and he's not even done. So fire. All right, guys, so we got the car back. Everything is put on. The 5mm spacers in the front are on. New tires in the front are on. The fenders are rolled slightly. You cannot even tell. The back rubs just a little bit on some bumps, so we're gonna go back and fix that. But the front is solid. Everything is good, and the car checks out. I drove it on the freeway and no wobbles. It rides almost easier than the other tires, which is weird because I had a thicker sidewall last time. But regardless, these are sick, and it looks good, and it rides really nice. It handles well with the wider 215s. Yeah, I don't know. This is pretty much it. I'm gonna be painting the side skirts in the next video, and we'll be doing a few other things. Got some more stuff coming, and I'll keep you guys updated. But for right now, just make sure to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and if you guys like what you see, make sure to comment. I will respond to you guys if you guys have some cool stuff to say or whatever. But let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.